The Big Four Hormones Essential for Women's Health. An article published by the Hormone Health Network says that your endocrine system is a collection of glands throughout the body that produces specific hormones. Each hormone is responsible for a vital role in your health. Here are 4 major hormones that are important for you to identify. 1. Insulin. Insulin is a peptide hormone produced by beta cells of the pancreatic islets. The pancreas is a gland located behind your stomach. Insulin is considered to be the main anabolic hormone of the body. It regulates the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and protein by promoting the absorption of glucose from the blood into the liver, fat, and skeletal muscle cells. When your insulin is out of balance, your glucose levels are also imbalanced, causing sugar spikes and drops. It can turn into diabetes and cause weight gain and other serious health problems. 2. Cortisol. Cortisol is a steroid hormone, in the glucocorticoid class of hormones. When used as a medication, it is known as hydrocortisone. It is produced in many animals, mainly by the zona fasciculata of the adrenal cortex in the adrenal gland. It is produced in other tissues in lower quantities. When your body is stressed and you go into survival mode, your adrenal glands pump adrenaline and cortisol into your system. It gives your body a burst of energy for self-defense. If you're chronically, or constantly stressed, too much cortisol can affect your mood, energy level, and weight. 3. TSH. Thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH, is a pituitary hormone that stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroxine, and then triiodothyronine, which stimulates the metabolism of almost every tissue in the body. Your thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland located behind your trachea in your neck. An essential gland, your thyroid makes hormones that regulate your metabolism and is often called the body's thermostat. The master endocrine gland controls the thyroid gland by the brain called the pituitary gland. This tiny gland produces thyroid-stimulating hormones that keep your thyroid working properly. If your TSH is off, your thyroid hormones will be imbalanced, and your metabolism will be adversely affected. You'll notice chronic exhaustion and a lack of energy. 4. Estrogen. Estrogen is one of the 2 main sex hormones that women have. The other one is progesterone. There are 3 types of estrogen: estrone, estradiol, and estriol. Estrogen is responsible for female physical features and reproduction. Men have estrogen, too, but in smaller amounts. Not only does it make you female, but it's linked to your metabolism, brain function, bone health, mood, and weight. According to an article published by the North American Menopause Society, estrogen production is at peak levels in your 20s. As you get into your 30s and beyond, you'll usually experience a decline in estrogen. During this time of perimenopause, you may battle irregular cycles, night sweats, anxiety, and moodiness. Your primary healthcare provider can order simple blood tests that can measure glandular functions and hormone levels. These tests can also reveal what adjustments should be made. Then, you'll get recommendations for how to remedy the situation. Your first line of defense against hormonal imbalance is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you consume processed junk food loaded with sugar, sodium, and preservatives, it will negatively impact your hormones. However, if you strive to eat nutritious whole foods and have an exercise routine, your endocrine system will benefit. To find out more about how to naturally regulate the Big Four hormones essential for women's health, go to www.powerofhormones.store.